I built this portable bike jump under 3 hours, and you can too. You can build this for $35. I didn't have any space for a big jump, so a small portable kicker it is. It will get a lot more use and be an important prop in future videos. Let's build one right now. I bought 6 pieces of wood for this project. First, I measured out 3.5 feet and cut it. That is the total length of the ramp. Then I laid everything on the ground, marked out the angles with a piece of wood, and cut out the wood. Those pieces are for the feet of the ramp. Super simple, no complicated math involved. I used a string with weight on one end and a sharpie on the other to get the right curve of the ramp. Then I cut out the pieces of wood with a jigsaw. All you have to do now is trace what you already cut onto another piece of wood. That will ensure everything will line up perfectly. Screw the 2 leg pieces together with screws. I decided to go with 19-inch wide ramp. It all fits together with deck screws. It's not rocket science. Don't overthink it. A little bit of sanding and our portable kicker ramp is ready to ride. And I still have some wood left over. I added a handle to the top of the ramp so you can carry it around. I added a piece of wood in between the legs to add strength and ensure the legs don't break. I also added supports in between the legs so it doesn't fold under load. I had to put a piece of wood for the height to screw in the pieces together. If you want to build this jump, I think it's easy enough just by looking at what I did. I left some measurements in the description if you want to build one. You can make it longer, shorter, wider, taller. In fact, you could probably put wheels on the legs of the ramp to move it around easier. In fact, the ramp was light enough I could carry it while riding, so you could find any downslope and turn it into a landing. I will definitely be looking out for more places to set this up. I don't know many tricks, but I will definitely be learning some new tricks with this ramp. I can bring this ramp out more often than a big jump without worrying about crashing and pushing my luck. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.